very much, Sister Juji. I'm here with Wow, Women of Worth. So I'm going to cook pancit. This time it's Lomi. Okay, but I will not put soup here. I will just make it like Bisado style. So what will I do? I have here a pot. It's set on 350. Then it's now hot. It's preheated. Then I'm using extra virgin olive oil to be healthier. Okay, so
okay, extra virgin olive oil. The purpose is healthier. Right?
All right. Yes.
May difference ba siya sa taste if you use olive oil?
Not really, but I think it's healthier, so I think it's better. So it tastes better. That's what I thought. Okay, so here the oil is heating. It's heating right now. Yes, this will be quick. And then I will add the onion, garlic, julienne cut. Okay, into the pan. Can you hear it? Okay.
Mauna ang sibuyas.
Yes, because the garlic will burn easily. So I'm putting the onion first.
Naturuan kami ni bawang muna.
Yes. Okay. Oh, smells good.
Ano yan na, bagong technique.
Yes, and then the garlic goes in. All right. Yay. Can you smell it?
Again.
Yes, now it's cooking. So what's next? Okay, this is chicken thigh. I pre-cut it. And this is the thigh, because thigh has a little fat in it. If I'll be using the breast, it's not that delicious, although it's healthier. I'm not saying this is not healthy, but although it's healthier, but it's like tastier. So going into the pan. Ta-da! There it is. Okay, I will spread it around. Okay. So it will just be a few minutes. Won't take long. Oh, so there, look at the smoke is coming to my face and it smells so good. Can you smell it? All right. Okay, while it's cooking, I want to tell you that I also cut the red bell pepper, julienne cut, the green bell pepper, julienne cut as well, and carrots. And I have bok choy, baby bok choy. Okay, and also the chai. And it's like this. I'll show you how I cut it. Okay, can I show it? Okay, while it's cooking. See, this is one whole. I'll cut it into half. Then another half. Another half. Okay. Oops, it didn't go well. Now it's better. Okay, look at that. Then it goes in here. All right. So it will be added later. Now let me stir it. Wow. And mix all of them.
Do you marinate the chicken before?
No, I don't. It's just, no, I did not marinate at all.
But it smells good.
Yes, because of the onion. Yes, onion and garlic. Okay. So at this time, okay, I will add salt for the reason that, okay, this is meat. It needs salt, okay, not much. And black pepper. Okay. I will put all my seasoning in here. Then later, when I also add the veggies, I will also season it. But this time, not much. Okay. Alright, stir it again. Oh, almost done. good, isn't it? Yes. So happy to be here, invited by Women of Worth, invited by Sister Joji. Okay.
Thank you so much.
All right. Oh, look at that, it's almost
It's a
cooked.
pleasure that you're here.
Okay. I will add just a little bit of soy sauce because I want to add soy sauce on that meat. Oh, just a little bit. Okay.
And you know, just by the smell, you know that it already tastes good.
Okay. Okay. 1 minute, I will add these. And let me cover it a little bit.
Alright.
Okay. So, today, as I've said, I'll be cooking pancit Lomi. Okay, this is Lomi. Usually you have this in soup, but this time there will be no soup. I will make it like guisado style. It will be delicious. Watch out, okay? Now it's ready! Woo! Okay, the peppers go in red first. Julienne cut as I mentioned. Okay, the green one too. Give it a stir.
Wow.
And the carrots as well.
It's like cooking, how do you call this, chicken fajita, ha?
Yes! Fajita's good. Can go in a taco, in a tortilla and give it a taco. Okay. Now I'm going to add water. Okay? Water. Oh. Well, let it boil. Can I have a little bit more? Okay, let it boil.
So there's no measurement, you just estimate.
Yes, just both sides.
Ingredients. Okay.
Yes. And
My father used to tell me that a good cook does not need measurement.
I don't measure. I only measure when I bake. Yeah, I only measure when I bake because baking has to be exactly that measurement. But cooking, I'll just both side it.
Okay.
I thought I have a no. It's here because it's this is Knorr chicken cube. I'm not sponsored by Knorr, but I have Knorr cubes. Okay, it goes in here. What's the use of this? It will enhance the taste. Okay, so it goes in there. Yes. Okay, I'll cover it. It's simmering now. It's simmering. Then in a few minutes, I'll be adding these, and it will be done. That's quick.
Alright.
Right. Okay. Here. It's boiling. All right. So what goes in here? Okay. My bok choy goes in here. Okay. Bok choy goes in there. I'll put this later. Okay. There's the bok choy, pichai, Chinese cabbage. What's the other name for this? Pichai, bok choy, baby bok choy. The bigger ones are really like pichai. These are the small ones. Alright. Now, here goes the star of the show, and that is Lomi. Okay. This is fresh per se. It's not really like fresh from the market, but it's fresh than the dried noodles we can buy from the Asian store. You can get this in the Asian store. It's named Lomi. Okay. Goes in. Okay, and we'll give it like 3 minutes. So this Lomi noodles will cook in 3 minutes, just like your regular pancit canton. Okay, 3 minutes.
Oh wow. Do you love to cook ever since?
Yes, I remember I started cooking at 2nd grade. I was 8 years old. Yes.
Wow. 8 years. So this is really your
Yeah,
passion.
8 years old because my sister was cooking and she left it unattended because we had a store. And then somebody, was in this buying something, so she left and then she forgot to come back. I was looking at it, so I continued cooking. And after then,
Since then you love
it's easy to cook, so I've been cooking.
And thank you so much for sharing your talent. We
Thank you.
are learning how to do it
It's
also
a
in an
privilege to be
easy
here.
way. Sa bahay, so thank you so much.
You're
So
welcome.
I didn't know it's just that easy to make a pancit lomi, no? Now we're encouraged to do it in our house. Okay?
Okay.
Pancit lomi.
Let's put it to the other side. Look at it.
I used to eat pancit lomi, but we always buy it. We don't do it at home.
See? It's quick.
Because they seem to
Other
be
side.
complicated to make. But
No, it's
this
not.
time,
It's
we
not
have learned a
complicated at all.
lot because they easy lang siya. It's
It is
to make.
easy.
It's easy to cook.
Very easy. Now, when we loosen the noodles, make it like delicately, slowly, because it might break into like it will break by itself if you will just leave it there for a couple of minutes.
And then,
Yeah, it will be cooked. Let me 1 more minute. The other side was like a minute, and the other side is a minute as well.
thank you so much for sharing that. And today we will be having discussion about how to be a better you. So can you give us, while we're waiting, a word of wisdom on what do you think? Just one tip of so we will become a better version of ourselves.
Okay, just do what you love to do. I love cooking, so I'm doing it. Because if you love it, if you love it, you're not doing it. It's just like you're doing it for fun. So I'm enjoying cooking, so it's not like a work to do. I'm just doing it for fun.
Okay.
Yes.
So that's number 1 tip that we have learned this morning. Just do what you love to do. And
Yes.
you will have fun.
Yes, I'm
Alright?
enjoying this.
So I'm sure we'll be having fun eating that.
Yes. All right. I think this is almost ready. Few more minutes. A minute. Okay. So I'm now going to mix them. Okay.
Wow.
All right. Then I will add soy sauce. Okay. Shake, shake, shake. This is like my gauge. Okay.
Looks good too, huh?
Okay. Green, not much. And Lomi and oyster sauce. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay.
Oyster sauce.
Yes.
Oh.
Okay. And voila! It's ready. Okay.
Mushroom. So this seems to be ready.
And
Oh wow!
thank you. It's done. It's ready to be served. Where's your plate?
Can we try it?
Yes.
You can add mushroom too, no? And
Yes,
shrimp.
you can add mushroom if you. Yes, you can. You have to cook mushroom ahead, okay? Because it takes.
No measurement at all, just an estimate. Wow! What a
Alright.
good cook we have this morning. Okay.
Thank you. It's
Sige nga,
cooked.
tikman natin ha.
So yes, you can cover it for a few seconds. And this is the cooked one I did this morning. Actually,
It has to cook.
so
Alright. Ito, masarap din, oh.
yeah, it's freshly cooked. That's what is earlier.
Alright, tikman natin.
Yes, sure.
Gusto kong
And here's the verdict.
tingnan natin.
Okay. Okay, let's see.
Manood lang kayo, ha?
Thank you. This is pancit Lomi.